Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
I'm Kajal Shahani.
And we're super excited about another listing we have here in Pleasanton. Kajal, you live in this neighborhood. What do you think about this area?
I think it's absolutely perfect. We are in downtown where you have coffee shops, you have bookstores, you have restaurants.
Right.
You're a couple of minutes away from all schools, elementary, middle, and high school.
Yeah.
And the best part is you're minutes away from the Iron Horse Trail.
Isn't that cool? You know, what I love about Pleasanton is within its boundary, you don't have to leave the town. You have schools here, you have restaurants, the movie theaters, shopping, you got everything here.
Yes.
Can't wait to show you this property. Let's take a tour.
Thank you so much for taking the tour with us today.
Now, as you saw, it's a great opportunity. And if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.